All right, hey YouTube, Mail Cat Lady here. Check this out. This is my computer build that you saw in my build preview, Subzero. I just took my thermometer from the basement in here. You'll be able to see. I'll show you, but you'll see it. You might be able to see it here too. But temperature is rapidly dropping here in the garage. As you can see right now on my phone, it is currently 18 degrees Fahrenheit. In the garage, it is detached. It is not heated. So this is going to be quite the test for this thing. I put this bad boy out here before I started work. Oh shit. I forgot to hook up some things. Alright, so as I was saying, this is Subzero, my garage water-cooled build experiment to see if I can indeed water-cool a computer in Subzero temperatures. I'm sorry for the tight space. This is kind of a really dumb setup I have in here right now. As you can see, it's 37 degrees on my thermometer and rapidly dropping. I guess we're good to go. First impressions here of everything in here. It is still, as you can see, it looks like everything is still in a liquid state. Got the radiator hooked up. Hoses are very tough and hard and stiff. It has been sitting out here since I left for work. But yeah, as you can see, everything looks like it's still ready to go. Get a little bit of zoom in here. And I guess really everything should be hooked up, I believe. I'm just going to do one last look. Pump is hooked up. I see the pump's hooked up. CPU's hooked up. RAM is plugged in. Oh, it's cold. Not as cold as it was the other day, though, that's for sure. Alright, so the mouse has power. That's good news. So the power supply is working. Down to 36. Everything looks good. I guess go ahead and well, the water's moving. I hear the water moving. It stopped for half a second. It's booting. This is going to be interesting. Can't wait to see what this thing's going to say. The monitor's fresh from inside, so the monitor's nice and warm. I don't have any internet out here. The mouse on the display seems crisp, clean, fast. Obviously the sound works. We have sound. Look at that. Hell yeah. Look at that. That's a result, baby. 0 degrees Celsius. That's awesome. Alright. That is hilarious. So the CPU is at freezing. That's amazing. What a result that is. Oh man. Alright. So as you saw right there, the CPU is at 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. It looks like the overall package is 37 degrees Fahrenheit now, 3 degrees Celsius. I don't have a fan on the radiator. That's amazing. It works. The water is moving, I believe. Yeah, you can hear it. You can see it. The pumps are running still, which is incredible, I think. I can't believe the pumps are running. Ambience at 32 degrees now. It's working. What did that say? I didn't see what that said. Ah, shucks. I didn't see what that said. But, let's see. So I wonder if the garage is slightly protected. I got a little bit warm from the sun overall today. Oh, look at that. the hard drive heated up fast. Let's take a look at the other things here together. So you can see that my, oh excuse me, I'm gonna sneeze. The SSD, oh my gosh, is it nice whopping 25 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit. That is nice and chill. Still nothing on the temperatures here. Yeah, this is pretty crazy. I don't have any fans plugged in at all. Yeah, I'm gonna have to install something on here since this is actually working and see what else it can do. This is crazy cool. Crazy cold, frozen, you might say. Yeah. Whoops. My proof of concept, I guess, works if that's what you want to call this video. It's interesting. So we're at 32. I know it's got to be colder than that in here because, well, the CPU is at 32 degrees, so the water's got to be colder than that even. That's nuts. That is so nuts. I can't believe the pumps work. I figured the pumps would be too cold to run. Obviously, I'm using automotive coolant in this to run this loop. Some Acura Blue 50/50, you know, pre-mix stuff. So that stuff is definitely good for this situation, as it will stay above freezing. I can't believe it's working. It's actually working. It is so cool that it's working. I kind of didn't think the motherboard would work. All right, it's official, fellas. 30 degrees. We are below freezing in here. Ambient temp. CPU. The CPU is still at 3 degrees Celsius overall, with some of the cores at 0. 32 degrees Fahrenheit on the dot. So we're running a computer liquid cooled in sub-zero temperatures. That's why she's named Subzero. Yeah, I guess I'll have to get some internet out here for this thing and honestly see what else it can do. Download some games or something, see what else I can do with it. Yeah, stay tuned to the channel for more Subzero experiments. Thanks for watching, guys, and hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this. That way you'll definitely get notified that I am posting more frozen computer videos. Thanks.